when couples try for a pregnancy and pregnancy is not happening, so they do not know when to approach a fertility specialist. So if you are married for more than 1 year and your wife's age is less than 34 years, then it is the best time to see a fertility specialist to know the cause of infertility. But if your wife's age is more than 34 years and periods are painful, irregular, and she is a long-standing patient of diabetes and thyroid, then you should see a fertility specialist within 6 months of your marriage.
Rahul Gandhi!
Zindabad!
Congress Party!
Zindabad!
Congress Party!
Zindabad!
Congress Party!
Zindabad!
BJP!
Down, down!
BJP!
Down, down!
BJP!
Down, down!
Kinong ilam keseng Kongres rengkat kejingidon lang ki MLA keseng ki begentup uba Ronnie V Lengdo, usaling sangma u Dr. Celestine Lengdo bat uba Charles Marngar. Kila Pynlong ya kejing pertai ki slogan bat kejing ra kejing tho ban penram jur halur kejing sya mait kyrteng u Rahul Gandhi nak yang dorbar tawan keri. Bat kila penram ru ke sorkar NDA kebelelam du menteri rang badu Narendra Modi bat u menteri Korbari u Amit Shah. Bat kene kejing sya ale jong u Rahul Gandhi kila ong bagade kejing thombor ke hok jong kesensyar kadar bat ke hok ban penpau kejing sngo kabalat luat hapok keri. Uba Ronnie V Lengdo ulaong bagi sorkar pedeng ka kuak ban thombor kejing shisha ka ba Rahul Gandhi ula keren bat ra hak yang dorbar parlimen bat haki bagi gerensan halur kejing bambiang ke rukom sensyar kadar bat kejing thombor hak bedai bat kariti sensyar ulaong bagalong ke bamla ban pediang ba unong yalam ubala syajit gi pat ba unsya weng no na kejing long dekot hak yang dorbar tawan bat ula pensyai ba kejing bamla ban penlong ya kejing ki ke bahe kerana mar bagi MLA sang Kongres kidang pun kam ha kejing sim benta ha kedorbar mang tengka bat kene kejing ki karnya beteng hado ba Rahul Gandhi unyo ya kahok.
Leader Shri Rahul Ji, we have staged this protest to mark a protest by the Congress Party of Meghalaya, and then we condemn the disqualification. This is suppressing the democratic right, suppressing the democratic freedom of speech, expression by the NDA government led by Narendra Modi ji. So we condemned. This is ultimate. They want to suppress the truth that our leader Rahul Gandhi ji has been raising in Parliament, has been raising in various platforms about the misgovernance, about the misrule, about the trying to suppress democratic rights, trying to kill democracy, and even go to the extent of disqualifying a leader of the Congress Party by disqualifying him as a member of Parliament. This is, I think, not seen anywhere in the world where an democratically elected leader has been disqualified by very, very unfair means. We only express a strong opposition. We condemn this action taken by the Modi government against our leader Rahul Gandhi because they are fearing, they have been rattled by the response, the support that is getting from the people all over the country with his Bharat Joro Yatra, where we are trying to ensure that irrespective of caste, creed, gender, we are all Indians, and that is the message that we've been sending. And I think because the NDA government survives on creating this communal division, communal hatred based on caste, creed and gender. So the Congress Party, our leader Rahul Gandhi believes in uniting the country, that we live peacefully, coexist harmoniously irrespective of all our differences. Because India is a country, we believe in unity in diversity. They believe in unity in uniformity. We protest against that.
Modi!
Down, down!
Modi!
Down, down!
Modi!
Down, down!
Amit Shah!
Down, down!
Amit Shah!
Down, down!
Congress Party!
Zindabad!
Congress Party!
Zindabad!
Congress Party!
Zindabad!
Rahul Gandhi!
Zindabad!
Rahul Gandhi!
Zindabad!
Speak something.
Yeah, I'm leaving. You're late.
Don't just live life, maxify it.